Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Adobe Media Encoder not installed After Effects issue in a simple and effective way. This problem usually occurs when Media Encoder is missing or not properly linked to After Effects. First, open Adobe Creative Cloud and check if Adobe Media Encoder is installed. If it's not, download and install it from Creative Cloud. Next, make sure both After Effects and Media Encoder are updated to the latest versions to ensure compatibility. Now, restart your computer to refresh all background services. After that, open After Effects, go to the Export settings, and check if Media Encoder is listed as the rendering option. If it's still missing, reinstall After Effects while keeping Media Encoder installed to repair the connection. Also, temporarily disable your antivirus during installation, as it may block required files. Finally, launch After Effects and export a test project through Media Encoder, and the issue should be fixed with everything working properly now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.